welcome to this plus texturing part. I made something in the texturing, which is the sailing emission. So as you see here in the references that we have emission shader in the bathroom. So to add that, I need to return to Blender. I will choose this sailing object and I will enter to edit mode, and I will delete these extra vertices because I want to have an edge flow. So I need to dissolve all these extra vertices by selecting it and dissolve it. So I need to delete this and click Ctrl X to dissolve it. Now I need to go to the solid mode to have a better view. Now I need to add more vertices. I will add a vertex here to relate it with this vertex. Select this vertex and this vertex and control. I verified if I have one face. No, I need to return. Maybe I will delete all these faces. No, I need to maybe G. I will click G as you will see in the screencast key. So I will click in G in the keyboard as you see here in screencast keys. So with that I will have faces. Now with this I need to make it straight, so I need to scale it in the S-axis in 0 like this to make it straight. Also this I will scale it in the X-axis to make it straight as X then 0, then enter. Like this I will go to the top view and enter the edit mode. Also enter the wireframe mode. I want to add extra edge loops. So like this I will add an edge loop here, then I will add an edge loop here. Maybe I will add an edge loop here inside like this. For this edge loop I think that I need to make it straight, so scale it in the y-axis then 0 like this. No, I need to select all this edge, scale it to the y-axis and 0. Then I need to move it to this place and maybe snap it to this place here. Then I need to add another edge loop here according to this limits of the wall. Then I need to add another edge loop here. Then I switch to the face mode. Then I will select all these faces, then inset these faces a little bit like this, and I need to go to shader editor to give it a material. So to do that I need to add another slot like this and add a new material and name it emission bathroom. Then to do that I will change it totally to white and made the emission strength to 5. Now I need to go to the viewport shading and see if shader it's right. So as you see here we are done. I need to assign it, so I need to assign the material to these faces. So click assign and you will have the emission material and the lighting inside the bathroom. So to see the effect of the light you need to enable the bloom in Eevee. To see it in the viewport shading, so you need to enable the bloom in Eevee settings. So if you see here, when I enable the bloom effect, I know that I'm right. So this is everything in this side part. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in another videos. Salam.